Hey, what's up, family? Today we got another video for y'all. This might be a simple one. It's literally a double unboxing. We got a package from Supreme and we got a package from the SNKRS app, and I want to just go ahead and get into it real quick. I got home from work, you feel me? I was working on my Instagram for like an hour or two. Right now, I'm not really trying to be editing for too long, so I'm about to just show y'all what's going on with this so I don't miss this video and end up not posting it at all. That shit happens more than you would think, low-key. There's mad videos that get lost in the sauce because I'm like, bro, it's not even worth posting anymore. But I'm not gonna waste y'all time, bro. Leave a like on this video if you enjoy. Subscribe to the channel for more streetwear sneaker content. Let me know what y'all would like to see on here. I'm gonna try to get into some more styling videos, but that'll happen when it happens, low-key. With all that being said, let's get straight to it. So we're gonna start with this box, and if you know, you know, this is Supreme. But let's open this up real quick. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Hey, yo, I was not expecting them to give me a Burberry box logo. This ain't even a Burberry nothing. So shout out to Supreme for keeping it P and sending me the box logo sticker, bro. They didn't have to do this, but they most definitely did. They actually sent me a box logo sticker. Hey, shout out to Supreme for keeping it P with me. Low key, this shit was about to come out. It was like coming out the box on the side type shit. So this is the Supreme glass spray bottle. Might not be the biggest thing on earth, you know, but let's see what's up with it. It comes in this casing so that it doesn't break, I'm assuming. Right there, you can see that Supreme glass bottle. This shit is actually big, I'm not gonna lie. And it's kind of heavy. Let's go ahead and open this. Right here, we got the Supreme glass spray bottle. Low key, this shit is huge, bro. Way bigger than I expected it to be. It's not really selling for much right now. I think it's going for like $57 on StockX. I don't even know why I got it in this clear color, but honestly, who really wants a red ass Supreme bottle? So I decided to go with this one. And now that I'm saying all this, it kind of makes sense why I went with this one. Let's just keep it at that. And hey, let me know what y'all think about this glass bottle. It's going for like $57 right now. Damn near retail, not gonna lie to you, but it's a glass bottle and it's still cool. Did you even consider going for this? Let me know in the comments below, but W or an L for this glass bottle. Y'all can't even see this shit up there. Oh my God. Yeah, I probably should have went with the red one. It's clearly not even visible up there. So, hey, I might have to put some drank in there or something so that you can see the color of it. Probably not even put it up there, but we're gonna have to talk about that in another scenario. In all honesty, right here, we got the package that I'm really excited for. This is something that I've been waiting for 10 years. 10 years. And I got this package yesterday, so I even waited 10 years plus a day after they arrived. That's dedication, bro. Let's not waste no time. Guess down below what you think this is. If you watch the channel frequently, then you know what it is. Take a guess regardless. Open them flaps and you already see what's in there. It's a Jumpman logo, and if I had to wait 10 years, it's obviously a retro. So let's get into it. First thing you see is that Jumpman logo on the box. The size tag right here, size 10, Jumpman logo right here. This is inspired by like the OG box, if I'm not mistaken. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. That might not be a topic for discussion, at least in my books. I know a lot of people are saying LBJ or whatever, but that's beside the point. Jordan logo on the front. Even the paper feel vintage, low key. Open this up. Ooh. Yo, I've been waiting for so long for this right here. Oh, these are plush, bro. The quality they put on Jordan 12s is so slept on. I know it might not be like the best shit in the world, but listen, bro, let me tell you, these are so cold, bro. Let me know what y'all think about the playoff 12s. At least to me, these hoes is cold, bro. I'm not even sugarcoating it. I'm not being biased. Maybe I am a little bit, but I've been wanting these for like a decade, like dead ass a decade. There used to be this girl in my high school class that had these on, and I used to just be looking at them shits like, yo, them shits is fire, bro. And hey, I'm glad I finally was able to pick these up. Clean pair of sneakers. I feel like a lot of people rock 12s. People be sleeping on them. These are clean, and I feel like they honestly did it right with this release. They didn't cut any corners. I don't really see see any glue stains or anything like that. On the back, you got that Jumpman with the 23 in red. There's a couple reasons why I feel like this sneaker right here is being slept on, and after time passes, this is gonna be a sneaker that a lot of people go back for simply because Jordan wore it. One, it's the Jordan 12 playoff, so come on, bro. Honestly, the black and white is probably one of the most iconic colors on Jordans in general. Execution, quality wise, no glue mess ups, at least on my pair. It's gonna stand the test of times. Right now, they're going for like $245, $250, which honestly, I didn't expect. I thought these were gonna go for at least $60 to $70 on top of retail, but that's not the case with this one. Low key, this is a brick, and it's crazy to even say that because this is one of the OG colors, but let people sleep when they sleep. I'm so glad I hit for retail on these. Let me know what was your last W for retail, whether it was from Supreme, from Palace, from whatever it is that you like buying. What was the last thing you bought? Let me know if you guys would like a how to style video in the comments below, either for this sneaker, for Jordan 1s. I'm trying to do it for Jordan 3s, 4s, any sneaker y'all see behind me right here. Let me know what how to styles y'all would like me to do, because low key, I've been going hard, bro. So yeah, leave a like on this video. It was a quick little unboxing. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.